Yeah, right. No, I was there.
All the kids were freaking out.
I know, it's crazy.
Rob, you're in charge down here, okay, if anybody needs anything.
Oh my goodness, there's trouble.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Filming this? He's not allowing you to film.
He's not allowing you.
He's a professional model.
Well, you have a bunch of original Ansel Lanham prints for $5 a piece, I was told, right?
10. There's 10.
Oh,
Inflation.
$10.
Five US and 10 Canadian.
Okay, there you go.
Jesus. They let anybody in here, do they?
Well, well, it's a charity. It's a church.
Yeah, no, I understand.
You know, they gotta, being good Christians, they gotta let people like me in.
Good point.
Even though the floor bursts on fire when they walk on it, still they gotta let me in.
Well, if I died, I'm in good hands.
Yeah,
I have a heart attack right here.
There you go.
Thanks. But then you'll have to charge, and
Yeah, we'll have to charge that.
pay for it.
Well, because we have to pay $5 to come in to pick you up.
That's right. Yeah, exactly. Oh my goodness, there's trouble. My goodness, how are you?
What are you doing? You
Jesus,
getting into this stuff
No,
now?
I'm
They're
just
safe.
browsing.
I didn't start the
Haven't
place
done
on
been one of
fire.
these.
Oh, well, there you go.
Yeah. I grew up Dutch deformed.
Oh, well, there you go.
Yeah, and I call it that for a reason.
No, I'm going to stick this on YouTube and Facebook, but I'm taking pictures of all the stuff for sale.
Oh, right.
You never know.
Right, yeah.
Actually, it's kind of fun. I like, when I look at pictures of shows, I don't want to see the people, I want to see all the stuff they're selling.
Right, yeah.
And it's like, oh, I need one of those.
Yep.
Yeah.
Nope, you
We'll
just
see how it
grab
goes.
these two, go down like that, and then it closes.
I'm going to make rounds. My mom is doing this juice
How about a beautiful Leica tie?
Scott told me.
Oh, he did he?
But thank you.
Oh, that's hilarious.
Taking pictures of all the stuff people are selling. It's cool.
Oh, I know.
So you got that $20 Leicas hidden under the table, do you?
the $20 Leica pen.
Oh, the $20 Leica pen. Ah,
It's a tie pen.
tie pen. Oh, I see.
Yes.
They keep misleading me. It's
Real
terrible.
collectible.
There you go. Well, I gotta show it to people. Where is it? Not that I'm gonna buy it, but oh, right there. Cool.
They had two different logo ones,
Yeah.
and I believe I have the other one, but the box I looked in, I just have that one.
There you go. A GoPro.
Oh, okay.
But I got the Hyper Smooth steady on, so it doesn't jerk around too much. No Blair Witch effect.
You need it. I mean, I don't know about you, but I need it.
Oh, I need it too. Yeah.
I had one of these. I had that. My goodness, this is.
I just heard him explain it.
Oh no, I had the color slide film, and it was, I think it was one of the, anyway.
I tried that once. It's the worst damn thing in the
Exactly,
world.
absolutely.
Yeah.
Polaroids. I bought it,
Yeah.
tried it, and then I think I probably sold it. It was,
Oh my-
it was terrible.
It was,
but
yeah.
it was unique though. You got to admit,
It was.
very
yeah.
unique. Anyway, no, it's good. I should buy it just for
Just that.
Nostalgia.
put it on the shelf and say tell my wife said that sucked.
No, take it to work and make the employees try and use
Good point. Good point. Yeah,
it.
yeah.
Yeah, they really, no, they revolt.
That might have actually been mine. It might have meandered its way here
Could have. They could have.
years ago. Filming for? Why are you doing this?
No,
Am I on tape? Why don't you film me?
You wanted to be on tape?
No, I know. What are you doing? You're actually doing just to see what's there?
Oh yeah, I stick it on.
Are you hearing
YouTube.
what? Is this audio too?
Oh yeah.
You're the best person ever.
Oh, he lies. Like
Joe,
that.
you are you're a stud.
Want another one? I have.
That's why I like coming here. Everybody lies to your face.
All $3.98.
You guys are beside the beer store, right?
You got it, yep.
Perfect location.
I know,
Perfect
right?
location.
That's usually people's stops. They stop at us and then they go to the beer store right after.
I like it.
Or sometimes they go before and then come with us.
You guys develop as well?
Yep, everything. Yeah.
Color? Okay.
Yep, all the black and white color, E6.
Because I still get people asking where you can send it. Yeah. Cool.
Yeah, no worries.
Alrighty.
Yeah.
Hey, stupid question. With all the darn tariffs coming
Yeah.
No,
in,
you can take a roll.
like, it wouldn't affect Ilford products because that comes from England.
Sometimes it will though, because a lot of the distributors
Yeah.
at some point usually ends up in the States, right? Because a lot of these distributors are based in the States. And that's the problem with like having these distributors in Canada is they all rely on the US distributors. So it won't go up as much as like the Kodak stuff will, but it will eventually, just because of all the nonsense going on.
And plus the fact they change the rules every week, so nobody knows what.
You should see like the price list that we get. It goes up and then goes down.
Yeah.
Up and down every other day. It's ridiculous.
Worse than the stock market.
We can get princess.
It really is.
You should put ads out on Facebook, the internet, you know, the stock is low today, buy cheap. Might work.
Yeah, I know, right?
Good luck.
There's a place with two giant lions in the front.
I had an 8x10, then I hurt my back and I sold it. But that's gorgeous.
You know what they had in Canada?
Yeah.
And they were 50 years behind technology. Got his 3,000 coming back to cowboy days. Yeah. Prove it.
They try and see like which ones would work. Yeah. Yeah, I could literally be like, what do you buy?
Yeah, the shutters.
Sorry.
Bump into you. Yeah. Don't get in my way, okay?
Okay.
Get out of my way.
I should show. I got your camera here. Love this thing.
Yeah, is that the A7R?
Or that, no, that's the
Oh, the
V-Log.
Viva. Yeah, the V.
Yeah.
Great camera.
Same size sensor as the one. Camera's 3 times or 4 times the size. There you
Why are you
go.
using that? Why are you using that one?
You gotta use a gimbal on this one. I do have a gimbal for it, but then people really freak out.
I think you're a Mr. Vlogger. Look at you. You're just kind of doing that.
I'm kind of, it's fine.
You're fishing.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
The Westway Bridge. Yeah. No.
2001. And it's only maybe 2 megapixels.
Oh, yeah.
I know I gotta get the hair.